Hi, Harry Dent here. I've been known in recent years for being bearish on gold. Bottom around 1,050 in late 2015, and it's kind of rallied, but it's not. It basically continued to hold near above $1,000, and then start another long-term rally. I do think gold will see $3,000 to $5,000, but it will be at the top of the next 30-year commodity cycle, 2038 to 2040. Most of the gold bugs will be dead by then, unfortunately.
Gold has climbed above $2,000 and is maintaining momentum, but this comes as no surprise. As I mentioned, gold has already breached all-time highs. In fact, it's surging past $2,000 as we speak.
But today I want to mention something really important. Gold. Now, I don't hate gold, but I'm not a gold bug. That's why I've been warning. Gold may rally, may have a bear market rally, but it's not going to new highs from what I see. And it is going to go down again to lower lows than we saw in late 2015. Maybe not much lower, because gold has, to its credit, because of its kind of crisis and intrinsic value, held up much better than most commodities. Oil's been down over 80% and going lower. Silver's been down 70% or more. Iron ore, 80%. The CRB, the broad commodity index, down 70%. Gold's only been down 45% at worst, and I see it being down maybe 50, 55%. My best target, 950 to 1,000, but worst case, 700 to 2008 lows.
Gold is now up 8 consecutive months. The number one best performing asset on the year is silver. Number 2 is gold, and number 3 is the NASDAQ. So
okay, it's the last day of July, Friday. So much money chasing with all this stimulus. Well, then where do you put your money yet? Because you have to put your money somewhere. Same thing happening with silver. Oh my God! I mean, silver had a massive catch-up rally with gold, and I think it's caught up plenty by now. But the extreme rally, gold has been rallying on all of this concern about overprinting money and potential inflation. Silver's, been more like the commodity indices, not as interested. Well, that's happened too. Okay, it's Friday the 14th, and I know what you guys want to hear about: gold, of course. Once gold broke that 1800 to 1820 really strong resistance level, I knew that 1934, the old high, wouldn't be much resistance. So gold, did run up there. 2089 was as high as I saw it. So about a 7% higher high than previous. And gold did look like it needed to take a correction, and silver went just crazy, from $11.64 up to almost 30 in just, since March. The peak in gold and silver in April of 2011. I was 4 months early in gold, but right on the day of silver, said this bubble's peaking, and I said then it traded in a channel between 1525 and 1800. I said when it breaks 1525, it's going to blow, and it did blow. I at 1,050 said this is a buy. It is over. It's oversold. I still said it's going to go lower down the road. I said it was going to go to 1,400 something. Well, then later I said, well, once it broke 1525, I said, oh, now we're probably going to go to 1,800. I did not expect a new high. Sorry for that.
But I like gold because gold is God's money. Gold and silver have been here since the earth was formed. Gold and silver is God's money. It's money made by God.
Yeah.
This is God's money. This is what God's money looks like.
Yeah.
And I bought my first gold, I think it was a Krugerrand, was about $50. Well, today that same Krugerrand's worth $1,500, and the dollar's worth nothing. So what I always say to young people, is you want to buy what's real money, and gold and silver are God's money. And what I mean by God's money is that gold and silver were here when the earth was created. The gold, I believe, is atomic number 79, silver is 47. gold and silver will be here when the cockroaches are dead. You know, and gold and silver will be here long after the dollar and the Canadian dollar and the looney's gone and all this. So I've just been buying gold and silver every chance I got since I was your age.